How you doing, folks? This is Joel with the IOCoin development team, and today we're going to be going over how to install our IOC wallet for Mac OS. And in my system, I'm running Big Sur. This will work for any other operating system before Big Sur, but for this video, it will be the Big Sur. So quickly, what we have to do is get onto our website, which will be iocoin.io. Once you get to our website, all you have to do at this point is download our Mac OS installation file and our bootstrap. Both of these files are going to be needed in order to fully install our wallet and synchronize it within a fairly quick amount of time. You can also click on the wiki. On the wiki, we have all the information related to IOCoin, including the wallet installation guide. Once you get to the wiki, you can also go right through all the explanation information regarding the wallet installation. So once you do the downloads of both of the files, all you have to do at that point would be to go to your downloads folder, go ahead and click on the Dion's aurora.dmg, and you're going to copy your IOCoin HTML5. I already had it in there, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Once you do that, for some people, once you get to the stage, you're going to see a white file here. If that happens, what you have to do is go to folder, and then you're going to go to user local. You have to create a folder here called bin. If it's not there, you create a folder called bin. And once you create that folder, all you have to do at that point is put that IOCoin daemon file right in that folder. Okay, you can also drag to the right side right here and put it in the bin. But I just wanted to show you in case you get a white file there showing up, and it won't allow you to do that, but that's the way you get around it. That's because of security that's already built into your OS X. So we're going to come back to the bootstrap a little bit later. So at this point, you're going to go to Go, Applications. You're going to find the IOCoin HTML wallet. Bring it right out. Let's open it up. Okay, now you're going to get this situation where it says, oh, you cannot open it. You go ahead and cancel that. Go to System Preferences. All right, Security. And unlock it. Once you do that, you go ahead and open anyway, click on open, and that's going to launch the wallet. Okay, at this point, you go to Documents, create a folder, call it IOCoin. That's it. Put it right here. And then what we're going to do is click on New. And then you go Documents, IOCoin, click Open. This is going to happen. Cancel. Go ahead and says Allow anyway. Okay, once you do that, now you're going to be able to run it, no issues. Load recent IOCoin. There goes the wallet. Click open. If I'm going a little too fast, you can always slow down on YouTube. So right now, that's it. The installation is done. There are a couple of instances, obviously, that since we have to disable some of the security mechanisms for Apple, some people may get stuck. But once you do those things, they should be good to go to, let the wallet do its thing. At this point, the wallet is trying to synchronize all the blocks from the Genesis. But if you want to do a full sync, that's going to take at least 4 to 5 days, depending on your speed and the internet and all of that. So for that matter, we have created something called a bootstrap. And in order for that to work, all you have to do is close out the wallet. You're not going to leave the daemon running, so you're going to say, leave the daemon running. You say no. At this point, you wait just a little bit to allow for that daemon to fully close. Then you're going to go to Downloads. You're going to get a bootstrap. And here, we're going to copy the bootstrap files. Go back to the Documents. IOCoin. And you're going to paste those files right in there. Remember, folks, this is a fully decentralized wallet. Once you do this, you're becoming a staker. You're actually working for the blockchain to help us maintain our security. And for that, there is a reward that the blockchain gives out of 1.5 IOC for all the work being done by the stakers. At this point, we have copied all of our blockchain files from the block 3,417th as of this video. And at this point, you run the wallet again. Low reason, IOCoin. You go back to your documents, and if you want to check on what the wallet is doing, click on the debug log, and it's going to show you that the wallet has been started, and it's now loading those files in order to start to sync up all the blocks from the 3,417 block, if I am correct. But let's check it real quick. Let's go to the IOCoin Explorer. I may be off by a little bit. Yeah, 3,437,000. So our current bootstrap is 3,431 or something like that. So it basically gets you closer to fully syncing the entire blockchain. And this process is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're done. At that point, you could close out the wallet, make sure you back everything up, take the entire folder that we have over here, back it up so that way you have a full installation and full sync completely backed up. And you're also backing up within the folder this file called the wallet.dat, which contains all your coins once you start sending to the wallet. So that's something that we always tell our users to get on a habit of doing, ever so often. Make sure that when you're doing these backups from the folder that your wallet is fully closed and the daemon is also closed, in order for your copy and paste to not screw anything up while the wallet is synchronizing in the background. On the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to do a private key backup. And the reason for that is in case your computer goes something goes wrong with your computer and it crashes your hard drive or something, and this file becomes corrupted. With that file, the private keys, you can actually retrieve your coins from the blockchain with a new installation of the wallet by running some commands that we have in the wiki. But we'll also do a video so that way our folks are aware of how to do a retrieval of the private keys in order to bring in your coins in case of some catastrophic damage. So as I told you before, right now what the wallet is doing is trying to open up all those files in order to synchronize the blockchain. It will take some minutes for this to happen. So you just stand by, let it do its thing. And there it is. As you can see, 3,041,408.02. And once it does that, you're way ahead. So now you don't have to wait 5, 6, 7 days for this to sync. This is now going to be a shorter amount of time of wait just to get from the 341 to, in this video, the current block would be 343.7. So it's not that bad. This will probably be, like I said, 20 to 25 minutes, and then you'll be fully synced. From that, you have to encrypt your wallet so that way you can keep it secure. Make sure you do not forget about your password. Save it somewhere so that way you can unlock your wallet, lock your wallet. Once you create this password, you have to make sure that you save that password. You won't be able to access your coin. There's no way of doing that. With that, I just want to thank you for watching this video. This has been the installation process of the IOC HTML5 wallet for OS X. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.